Tell you what we are going to cover. You need not note on the points. The reason is I am going to give the complete notes when we start the classes. Okay? So we will only please listen. I'll explain to you what we are going to cover here. Now, here I am going to teach SAP FICO. First I'll tell you what is SAP, then we will discuss FICO. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. SAP is part of ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning. Now, FI stands for Financials, with nothing but accounting. FI stands for Financials, and CO stands for Controlling. It's not exactly costing, similar to costing. And for SAP, when they conduct the exams, for them FI is separate module, CO is separate module. Even implementations in the big companies, they take FI concern separately, CO separately. And SAP conducts the exams for FI separately, CO separately. You are learning two modules here, one is financials, next one is control. It's not exactly costing, similar to costing. Now, first we will discuss about ERP, then we will go for SAP. First I tell you what is Enterprise Resource Planning. First we tell you what is Enterprise Resource Planning, or what we call ERP. In organizations, if you take any organization, you will have number of departments like purchase department, stores department, production department, like sales department or marketing department, accounts department. Like this in an organization, number of departments will be there. The purpose of ERP integrates all functions into one system. It integrates all the functions into one system. It will facilitate free flow of data among the departments. Now let me give you an example how this is different from normal accounting package. How the ERP differs from normal accounting package. Now let me give you an example. Suppose you have normal accounting package. There is a material receipt. Now, generally, material will be received by stores. The person will sit at factory. Suppose there is a material receipt at factory. Suppose say material receipt at factory. That is by stores. By stores person at factory. In normal accounting package, what you will do? You will update it once the material is received. Once the material is received, he updates his records. What the source person will do in normal accounting packages, you will update the records. Then you will send the bill to accounts per account. For accounting purpose, you will send the bill to accounts. Coming to accounts person who is sitting in city office. Now next, by accounts, the person will sit at city office. Then the accounts people will sit at city office. Now, what you will do after this is a bill? Pass the entry in the system. What are package they use, carrier, what are they use. This is the way it works in normal accounting and economy. If you see this example, the disadvantages, I tell you, disadvantages in this example. One is duplication of job. If you see this example, the stores person is updating the records, accounts person also is passing it. There is a duplication of job. Second disadvantage, there is a time gap for the transaction. Now, today the stores person has received. He will send the bill to accounts at city office. He may receive tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, after 3-4 days. There is a time gap for the transaction. The third disadvantage is mismatch in reporting. Suppose your management is asking, what is the stock available? Stores person gives one quantity, including today's quantity. Accounts person is not aware because he has not got the bill. He will give different quantities. So these are the disadvantages in the normal accounting pattern. Now coming to ERP, how this works. Now I take the same example in ERP environment. In ERP environment, how it works. Now I take the same material receipt at factory. Stores person at factory, by stores at factory. If you see this example, the stores person, once the material is issued, he updates in ERP. Accounting entries to be generated automatically. He doesn't know what is debit, what is credit. Stores person doesn't know. Once he receives the material, he will mention only from which vendor, what material, how much quantity, at what rate he has received. So your entries will be generated automatically. Now, accounts person at city office, by accounts person at city office. What they do? They share the same data. They share the same. They access the same data. They need not get the bill, they need not pass the entry, all things are not important. They can share the same data. They can see the data wherever they see anywhere in the world. So then here there is no duplication at all. If you see the advantages, there is no duplication. There is no time gap. Online it updates. By sitting anywhere in the world, you can see the data. But you should have the operations. And no mismatch in reporting. The reason is source is only one. So these are the advantages in this ERP. Let me give one more example. In normal accounting packages, there is an example like sales and branches. Now you have a branch, the companies have a branch in Mumbai. What they do, the branch sales people in the month end, they send all the vouchers here. We account for the vouchers, whatever they send here, we enter the transaction. They send the floppy here, we consolidate with our accounts. In the month end we do. But here there is no consolidation business. Once he makes a sale in Mumbai, by sitting here, you can see what the branch sale separately. Also company as a whole sale separately. It updates online, you can see the data of branch separately. They need not send the vouchers or profit to you, you need not accommodate, you need not consolidate, all the things are not required. So these are the advantages in this ERP packages. In the ERP market, we have number of packages available. Number of packages available. One is SAP. Second, Oracle Financials. Third, JD Edwards. PeopleSoft. Bar. Like this, you have number of packages available in the market. Among all the packages, SAP is the number one package in India as well as other countries abroad also. In the ERP market, SAP is the number one. Clear? So now we have discussed what is ERP, how it works. Here the advantage is everything is online operation. Now companies generally normal accounting, company they get the balance sheet, P&L account after 3 months or 4 months. They get the ledgers only in the month and they do the processing. They do the batch processing. But here it's not required. Once you post the entry, it updates your ledger, trial balance sheet, you can see the profitability every day. You can close the accounts on 31st March itself. You need not wait for 3 months or 4 months. So these are the advantages in the ERP. Now coming back to SAP now. SAP was released in 1970. This headquarters in Germany. SAP's headquarters in India. Now the version, what are we teaching? Version of what we call release. This is the latest version, ECC 6, EHP 5. This is the latest version. ECC stands for ERP Central Component. ERP Central Component. EHP 5 stands for Enhancement Pack. SAP releases based on the company's requirement the patches, new features. So the version what we are covering is EC6 EHP5 is the latest version. Now we have discussed what is ERP. Now we have discussed what is SAP, what and which version we are teaching. Now we will go for this FSCO 400. I told you we are going to teach FSCO. Now let me go to FSCO 400. Now this course we have divided into 7 stages, 7 parts. One is base series for financials. Before other consultants take up the job, FSCO consultant he has to do the basics. He has what we call base series. Next, financials. What we call CAPA. Controlling, CO. Other areas. EC6 new features. In the latest version, SAP has given the new features. The E6 new features. And additional topics in controlling. Now we are covering FI as well as CO advanced areas from basics to advanced. And the last one, 7th is project. So our course is divided into 7 parts. Now under each item, topic or each item, what are areas or what topics we are going to cover there. But so many things are there, you can see the brochure also. I will explain you the main topics. So what we are going to cover under each this sub-item. Now, first I will tell you, first we take up the basics of financial. Before other consultants take up the job in the live environment in implementation, this FSO consultant he has to do the basics. I will give the main steps, almost 25 steps are there. I will give the main steps. What you will do in the beginning? One is enterprise structure or organized structure creation. You will create the enterprise structure or organized structure. Now, what is enterprise structure or organized structure? I'll tell you. If you take any group, like not ladies, if you take the structure will be like this, there will be in the group there will be number of companies. Company 1, company 2. There will be number of companies there. Under each company you will have number of units like Hyderabad unit, like Bangalore unit. Under each unit we have number of divisions like steel division, say cement division. And each division will have number of departments, like production department, service department. Like this, the structure will be there. In a group, we have number of companies, and each company will have number of units. and each unit will have number of divisions, and each division will have number of departments. The management, they want to compare among the departments the expenditures. They want to compare the performance among the divisions. They want to compare the performance among the units. They want to compare the performance among the companies. And they want to see the group result or consolidated result. They want to see what the group turnover, what the group personal cost. So this is the structure. This FSO consultant, he has to discuss with the company people, and he has to create the structure in the system. This is what we call enterprise structure or organization structure. Next, accounting year, what we call fiscal year accounting. Which accounting year the companies follow? Like Indian companies, they follow accounting year April to March. US companies, they follow January to December. Some companies they follow July to June. Some companies they follow August to October to September. They can follow any accounting year. So here they have to discuss the company people and he has to create the accounting year in the system. The next one is chart of accounts. What we call chart of accounts, normal account we call it as set of accounts. The set of accounts means like this. All the companies in the group will follow same account coding or different account coding. Take choice. All the companies they can use the same account coding. That is called same chart of account. Different account coding, different chart of account. So here, whether they follow the same set of accounts or different set. Then document types and number ranges. Number ranges. What will be purchase voucher numbers? What will be sales voucher numbers? In SAP, we use term called document. Normal account we use voucher. What will be general ledger document numbers? Here we specify what will be the voucher numbers. Then we define posting periods. Suppose the company is going for SAP from January. We don't require from April to December data in this. So we will decide what posting periods are over. Like this almost we have 21st time. So the FI consultant he has to do the base settings in the thing. Then afterwards we will take up the other units. And not only that, we will inform other consultants. Other consultants also will do their settings under your company. So FSO consultant he has to do the base settings like this in the thing. Once he completes the base settings, you have almost 25 steps. Then you will go for financials. In financials, we have some modules like general ledger, accounts payable. This is purchase, accounts receivable. This is sales, asset accounting. These are the sub modules of general FI. This is fixed assets. Earlier, they used to ask separate consultants, general ledger separately, accounts payable separately, assets separately. But nowadays, so many students are coming, so many people are coming, they are asking FI consultant or CO or CO. Earlier, they used to take module-based consultants, sub-module-based. So, these are the sub-modules of financials. Then coming to CO controlling. Controlling CO. In controlling, we are going to cover like this: the base settings for controlling. Here also we have the base settings. Cost element accounting. Cost element accounting. Cost center accounting. I told you in the beginning the structure department wise is nothing but to view department wise costs. The structure I told you, the last one, department. This cost center accounting used to view department based cost. To view department based. Then we have internal audits. Internal audits. Here we use to view costs for specific tasks. Like example, telephone wage expenses, vehicle wage running expenses. Like this we use this for internal audits. The production order cost, each production order, what the cost. So we use internal audits for this specific purpose. Then we have profit center accounting. Profit center accounting. This we use to view division wise profitability. Division wise profit. I told you in the beginning, after unit you have the divisions. Division wise profitability. Then we have product costing. This is used for valuation of inventories. For valuation of inventories. Like finished goods and working process. This stock valuation we do by using product costing. And we have your stock valuation, FIFO method, LIFO method, weighted average method. And we have your accounting standard for finished goods valuation. Some items to consider, some items not to consider. Like interest cost should not be considered in the stock valuation. Selling expense should not be added because it's a post manufacturing, not pre manufacturing. And your working process, when the material is not completed, you take as a working process. So here your stocks will be valued in this product cost. The next one is profitability analysis. Actually, this is a reporting tool. And nowadays all the companies they are using this one. Here what the advantage is, we get profitability for number of parameters added. Example I will give the, like we can get sales order wise profitability, customer wise, product wise profitability. Suppose here why they are using, I will tell you. Suppose you already sold the product. You have seen how much profit you have got. Now you are going to sell the product to the other customer. Now you know what profit you have got for this at this rate. So they want to quote the price. So by seeing the profitability, they quote the price for the new customer, other customer. So nowadays all the companies they are using the profitability.